What did you say your name was?
Morse.
E. Morse. Your governor says you know the area. College boy. That right?
Poor old Morse. You were never Oxford material. Too bloody decent by half.
Squeamish, shall we? You won't make much of a detective if you're not prepared to look death in the eye.
I thought this was a missing persons case.
Nice murder, all right. A sex case, like as not. The way they go around with all on show these days.
Find her, will you, please? Find our Mary.
Sounds most unsavory. Dear, dear.
A young girl strangled and left naked in the woods, and all you can say is, dear, dear.
Morse.
He's lying. I know he is.
Who's a clever boy, then?
Are you flirting with me?
Morse, what you're going to ask is, where do you see yourself in 20 years? Morse? Endeavour.